Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and a very welcome to the presentation number 11 of the email power machine. In this presentation, I show you how to use resources for your Inspire research. You know the word Inspire research, as I told you in one of my previous presentations. Inspire research means inspiration by research. I tell you in this presentation the headlines, how to set up an extremely working well email message. However, my advice is that after you have listened to this presentation, you go to your ebook to page 24, 25, 26 and 27, because there you will discover in detail, to the point, a great example of an extremely working well email message, and I'll explain you there more in detail how to do this. So let's move on to how to use resources for your Inspire research. Let's say you go to one of the sources, filmsite.org. Filmsite.org is a site with quotes and titles of movies and books and music, etc. And are great sources of inspiration for your email marketing. You click on the button Movies, and there you see an image of Bonnie and Clyde, and you think, hey, okay, that's nice, that's a nice quote, Bonnie and Clyde. Who doesn't know Bonnie and Clyde? And you see a description of who is Bonnie and Clyde, and you see something about the movie of Bonnie and Clyde, etc., etc. But only the quote or the name Bonnie and Clyde is easily to use for your subject line. Like, are you Bonnie or Clyde? That's a very strong subject line. Why? Well, what you do with this message is generate recognition, everybody knows Bonnie and Clyde, and curiosity at the same time. That's the nice thing and the power of this subject line. After your subject line, you start with to tell a story, the meat of the story. And what you do, you will see this in the example in your ebook. What you do with the meat of the story is that you describe something about Bonnie and Clyde in this instance. You do this with a little bit of a twist of the tongue, because you ask there a question. You write down there how someone is struggling by earning legal money. That's a sort of a problem, and how he can solve this. You give the solution. You give a solution there. With the call to action, there you are quite clear. Call to action is quite clear. What you say there is, if you want to go for safe and if you want to go for true freedom, then click on the link. You discover this to the point in your ebook. You also see there how to highlight your hyperlinks, your links for extra attention. And you see a PS. And the PS, let's say somebody received your email, he noticed the subject line, but he has no time to read on, but he think, okay, Bonnie and Clyde, let's see, and he quickly scrolls down, and at the end he see PS, and he see there the word in capital letters, mega bonus, as a reminder. Very good chance that he didn't read the message, but he read the PS, and very good chance that he at the very end still click on your link. And that's what you want. You want clicks. You are selling clicks, so to say. So this is the end of presentation number 11. The best thing, as I said, you can do now, the best thing, to go to your ebook and to see in detail, to the point, how to set up an extremely working well email message. Thank you very much for listening, and I see you in the next video.